how to unblock your Uber driver account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you unblock your Uber driver account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your device. Alright, so after you open the browser, in this hospital you'll have to type for Uber help, and from here you'll have to visit the website like help.uber.com. After you come on this page, you'll have to go the option driving and delivery. Alright, so from here in this section, in this hospital, you'll have to type for block. So if you get some information from here, you can easily confirm it that why are the reason that occurring your Uber driver account blocking. So from here you can confirm that, or you can also check your mails of your Uber driver account. So from there you might be find some reasons for blocking your Uber driver account, and if you have the evidence to unblock your account, you can also appeal through it from the mail. So in this way you can unblock your Uber account. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.